The Hito Integrated Territorial Organization Hito Southern Border Area on the 4th of December 2025 intervened to halt the ongoing construction of a bridge at Photkroh after raising concerns over the quality of materials being used. Hito Secretary Rising Star Marwen informed the media that the organization decided to stop the work following the discovery that 8 mm iron rods were being used for the structure, which he claimed did not conform to appropriate construction standards. He added that during discussions with the sub-divisional officer and the junior engineer, both officials stated that they are acting on instructions from the ministry to use the 8 mm rods for the project.
Mentang sini nakaliang sini ka itu Southern Border Gilawan ban sampai sini ka Jiking bala rei deka tahu turui lang lalu abai ka poka PMGSY bala apai limba ka Piruli road jungka Ranco division mentang ngelap ba kani ka Jiking gumat sai ngiwan ban khangno yang ka Jiking mentang sini marga citrai kalong citrai long bam I sungnya bat I bomihap ke citrai marga citrai ngilap bang ni ba I kat kapaya kat I spam jungka jinting kirang penkam du pranam nalang jing nyo ngihap haba ya dei ba mene ilai kluru SDO bat ji bapek ya kanika jinting ila ong ba na ba adat apus na poka ministry dari katkum ka jinglap jungi mentaba ba yaka wat eka drawing ru kisusnahi da ndak ti jung engineer but na de thoru ba ban pun kam du pramem de hangte pat yaka drawing ru padon ka jing approve liang engineer bala pha isko ministry la ne padon kata ba de approve ya kanika jingking ba padai ban trai du pramem de katkum ka jing tep jungi wada ngindai kita ki engineer ru ndai hiru itep ba wat ti ru ngidang pun kam du khatar mem 10 mem dekat ka jingking ba hapkit da kilut kumba arpau sejong de kidang pun kam tangdu pramem ringilap ban bisari nang ni